So, today we are staying in the highest hotel in the West Coast. Let's see what we're gonna get.
Let's go.
Tell me about these elevators.
So the elevators are super fast. So from ground 0 to 70, it gets in 40 seconds.
Which way?
We have 50, 18. So this way.
So what's up?
I think it smells like someone was smoking here. Well, so seems like we have a very nice suite, but we have a huge bummer with it because it smells like someone was smoking here, and we still have this. I'm not even sure how to call it, but probably that's a professional air purifier to clean the room. So basically, our room is not ready.
We're heading back to the lobby to get another room.
Yeah, I hope they have something for us. So she said she just upgraded us to a club room. Let's see what that means. And we get a higher floor, it's 62.
Oh.
Okay, so we are going to 62 floor. 46. It doesn't work.
Yeah, you did it!
60 seconds.
One more.
Today we are staying at the highest hotel on the West Coast. This is InterContinental in the downtown LA, and we are staying at the Club Executive Suite.
So let's see what we're gonna get here in this suite. This suite 800 square feet, and we have a pretty large room. It's not a one bedroom, but it's a big studio. Let's see. Here we have a living room. On this side, huge King California bed, working station. We have a mini bar with Nespresso coffee machine, and we have this like middle-size TV, but it's actually is good. And I love this art over the bed. It's really cool. I love it. And we have amazing view here. We have Hollywood sign, we have Griffith Observatory, we have Beverly Hills view, and all LA area. It's amazing. It's probably the best view in California. And let's check the bath. And here is a giant bath. It's really huge. But we have a tiny thing in just one. And also we have a really tiny bathtub for this giant bath. And separate shower. And separate restroom. And here we have a pretty good bathroom amenities. Love it. And here, closet. Let's check. One bathrobe and one luggage stand. I don't know why, probably for one person, but we have two pairs of slippers. Here we have a safe, we have an iron, shoe cleaning stuff, and pretty much that's it. It's a tiny, like a thing.
And by the way, it has the highest open air restaurant on top of it. It's called Spice 73, and we're gonna go there at the evening, so stay tuned till the end of the video and you'll see the view, the 360-degree view of LA. It's beautiful. And while I still have you here, like this video and subscribe to our channel because more videos are coming soon.
So let's talk about new technology in this room. We have this pretty smart controller. You can control with this guy light, air condition, and that's it. And here we have pretty cool smart controller for the privacy, no tag on the door. And I love this old school clock, alarm clock. It's really cool. It's a huge mirror, yeah? But a little bit close to me. I like the mirror when I can see myself from the distance. It's a little bit too close. I know we're like talking about new technology, but this is a dangerous guy. Oh my gosh, 181 lb. I need to go to the gym. Let's go to the gym. So guys, this is the most advanced gym I ever seen. Super cool. Love it. Welcome to Los Angeles. As you know, in Los Angeles has a lot of traffic. That's why every building has helipad, and here around a lot.
This skyscraper was finished in 2017 with a price tag of $1.2 billion. It has 73 floors and its height is 1,100 feet. So it's the highest building not just in downtown LA but in California and on the West Coast.
And now time for dusty places. Let's check this guy. It's clean, but with yellow stain.
It's good we are not sleeping here.
Yeah. Okay, let's check this one. Here is clean. And here is clean. Let's move. It's clean. Let's move this chair. Clean. Usually TV is super dusty. Let's check. And this one is super clean. Good. Let's check the headboard. Clean. Let's check this arm. Oh no, this guy is dusty. Look.
Yeah, you found it.
The only one issue what I found here, this is black mark from luggage. It's very easy to clean, but we still have it. Never give up. I never found yellow stain. Let's check this one. This one is clean as well. No luck at this time.
I'm happy that you don't have luck with yellow stains.
What should be next? Babe, let's check the common grounds.
Let's check the common grounds. So actually the whole building is not occupied by the hotel. The hotel is only half of the building, and it also has some office spaces and retail spaces, and to service all of us it has 16 elevators. That's one. So they have a very smart system to control all the elevators. So you choose the floor and you have a very specific elevator that takes you up or down.
So no bottom inside.
What?
No bottom inside.
Oh no, you don't have any bottom, so it already takes you to the floor that you choose. Yeah.
So how do you like this pool?
I love it, but I think I'm not dressed for it.
Yes.
Or should I take a plunge like this?
today we are heading to the highest restaurant in California.
And it's not just California, it's the highest open-air restaurant in the United States and the whole Western Hemisphere.
Again?
So every time you need to move, you have to go to the lobby and then to your other destination. So to the lobby, to the fitness, to the lobby, to your room. So that's kind of weird, but I mean, that's how it works here. What do you want to eat? Do you want to do some meat or fish or?
I wanna eat some fish, probably. Yeah.
I've got so much food.
There's nothing wrong with that. Driven, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with
Good morning. It's a coffee time.
being that grow bad. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? All my life, it's been up and down, but
I don't wanna leave from this hotel. It's really cool, it's really good experience here. We have amazing view.
And even though we had a small bummer at check-in where we were given a pretty much not ready room, so our king suite was not ready, we were really nicely surprised how well the management solved this issue, and they pretty much just upgraded us to executive suite, which is a little bit bigger, nicer. It has the same corner, amazing view. And the 101 freeway just like down from this hotel, I mean, everything you see from the bird's eye, and it's just amazing, the perspective of the city, and seeing everything all the way down to Santa Monica and the ocean is just like incredible. So if you're looking not just for a random hotel but for a great experience in LA, we highly recommend that you try InterContinental in downtown LA, because just the idea that you are staying at the highest building on the West Coast blows my mind. So that's really cool.
See you in next video.